Does your Ecovacs Ozmo 900 robot vacuum only spin around like this when you turn it on? Confused about what to do? No worries. Take a look at what we've done to help our customers' problem. We were contacted by a customer with a malfunctioning Ecovacs Ozmo 900 robot vacuum. It had problems when turned on and wasn't working as usual. The customer wanted us to repair it. Let's see. When we try to turn it on, the robot vacuum just spins around. Oh wow, the robot vacuum is going around, but we're the ones who get dizzy, haha. Let's fix this before we all need Dramamine. To find out what the problem is, we disassembled the robot vacuum. When we saw the robot vacuum just spinning, we suspected the tire motor might be faulty. And here are the diagnosis results. A faulty tire motor is the problem, so we recommend replacing it. After we explain the results of the diagnosis and recommendations to the customer, we seek approval, and when we get it, we immediately service and repair. After the repair is done, we'll do a unit test before returning the robot vacuum to the customer. And now, the moment of truth. There's no more spinning, the robot vacuum can work flawlessly and with maximum performance. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.